Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable syncback CRM data using Airtable automation step by step clearly. To enable syncback CRM data using Airtable automations, start by logging into your Airtable account. Navigate to the base where your CRM data is stored. Identify the specific table that contains the data you want to sync back. Select the Automations option in the top menu. Click on Create a new automation. Choose a trigger for your automation based on how you want to initiate the sync. For example, select when a record is created to sync new entries. Next, choose the Add Action button. From the action options, select Update Record. In the Update settings, choose the table where you want the CRM data to be sent. Specify the record that will receive the data. Map the fields from your original table to the corresponding fields in the target table. Ensure that the fields align correctly to avoid any data mismatches. You may also set conditions for the sync, like only syncing specific record types. Once you have configured the action, click on Test to verify the automation works as intended. If the test is successful, turn on the automation by toggling the switch at the top. Monitor the performance of the automation to ensure it runs smoothly. If necessary, revisit the trigger and action settings to make adjustments. Repeat the process for any additional CRM data you want to sync. Finally, document your automation steps for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.